Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So God gave me this platform, and with my platform I will have a voice and I will not fear any backlash. So I wanted to take the time to say the names of the people who have recently fallen victim to police brutality. George, Brianna, and Ahmad, I stand with you. The black community, I stand with you, and we are going through this together. I really don't have a lot of words because when I talk about this I get emotional and I get angry. Being black in America should not be a death sentence, but we have seen over and over again that it is a death sentence in America. I may lose followers behind this, and that is perfectly fine, but here on my page we will support the black community. We are pro-black, we are pro-gay, we are pro-choice around here. So I love you guys, and let's just please just take a moment to honor the people who have fallen victim to police brutality. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do one of my favorite looks ever. It is the burgundy mixed with the orange look. If you guys are interested in like a full face tutorial, I do have those in like my previous videos, so feel free to go and watch those. I just didn't want this video to be like extremely long, so I decided to cut that. But we're going to start out with the Grafton Cosmetics. This is the eyeshadow base from them. And I just applied this to my lid. You guys know I flop back and forth from eyeshadow base to the concealer, which is e.l.f. But I'll do either one as a base. I just like to have like more of a whitish base. I feel like it helps to allow you to see the color that you're going to be working with. So I'm going to just blend this out. And this is a stippling brush that I use to blend it out. For the most part with my eyeshadows, they all kind of start out the same. We use a base and then go from there. So for this look I use 3 different palettes. We start out with the Warrior palette from Juvia's Place, and we use the, I think the color is Kano, it's my favorite color. We use this color to start, and then from there we go in with the James Charles palette, and we use all 3 of these colors right here. You guys can see those 3. And then we go in with our Cara Beauty ES15 palette, and the burgundy and the orange I get from this palette, which are these 2 right there. So we're gonna start out with the Juvia's Place. We're gonna start with the Juvia's Place palette. This again, the Kano color. So we're gonna start with that on our lid. Oh, creasing. And we're just going to apply this all over. This is going to help to be our transition color. Okay, so now we're going to take this color, this one, and we're going to apply that to our crease. So I'm trying to remember how I did it. I'm just going to go into the crease. And just blend that. Okay, so now I'm going to take just a little brush, and I'm just going to blend out like these harsh edges, because we don't want a harsh edge. So we're just going to slightly just blend out the edge, taking that lighter color and just going over the edges. I don't know how else to explain it, but you guys see it has softened it. Like this one's still kind of harsh up here, but this one's a lot softer. And with this look, a lot of it is going to be just blending. And you can make this, like, blend out this color as much as you feel like you need to. I'll be here all day if I continue, so probably won't stop. Okay, we're gonna just go over this one. So then we're gonna take that darkest of the darkest shade, which is this one. We're gonna go into the corners. Like, we're just gonna literally put this color right into our crease. Kind of bringing that down a little bit. And just making sure we focus right there on the crease. Like, that's our main focus. So then we're going to take like another brush, like a little small brush here, and we're just going to blend that out into that crease. This brush is from Morphe. It's a M513, and we're just blending this. I think this is called a taper blending brush. Y'all know I don't know my brushes, so I don't really know. I'm sorry. We're literally just blending this just to make sure it's all cohesive and it looks good. Do the same thing on this eye. There are going to be some harsh edges, but don't worry about it. We're going to go back and blend those out in a second. And once again, just trying to bring this into my lid as well, so that way when I go to do my cut crease, it's not that hard to blend. And just kind of dragging this out just to smudge it. Alright, so now we're going to take this brush again, which is a Morphe brush. I think it's an M505, and we're going to dip back into this color and now blend that out. So it's a lot of like blending with this, but I absolutely love the way that it turns out. Like, it's just beautiful. You guys obviously love the way it turned out too, because you voted on it. So yeah, we're just blending out all of the harsh edges to make sure it just, you know, goes together. And it doesn't take much. Like I said before, you just want to do like a sweeping motion, and the harsh edges will pretty much take care of themselves. Okay, so once that's blended out, I think we are good to cut our crease. I'm trying to think if I went in with like a deeper brown. I can't remember. I don't think that I did. The fact that we are like literally halfway done with this look is amazing. Like, I absolutely love this eye. Like, this eye is amazing. Sorry, I gotta bring this in a little bit closer because my ass is blind and I cannot see. So in order to cut my crease and do it correctly, I need to have this a little bit closer to me. So this is the e.l.f. concealer. This is in the shade Deep Caramel. So this is what I'm using on my face. I'm not doing my crease all the way out because you guys know, like, it's just not my style. Like, I'm gonna bring it like right here to this corner, right there, and just stop. Okay, so now that we've cut our crease, it's time to go in with the Card Beauty palette, and we're gonna go in with these two colors right here. I don't know if you can see them. So I like to start out with the burgundy color. And I like to get like a nice little amount on the brush and then just literally apply it here. These two colors, for like whatever reason, are my total fave. Like, I just love the way they look together. Like, they just look bomb as fuck. So we're gonna just apply it like halfway in, because that's where we're gonna go in with the orange. And I kind of like to lightly get some like into this brown area, not too much, but just like a little smidget. Once you have it built up to the way that you want it, then you can move on to the orange. You guys know me, I just like really pigmented stuff, so I like to build a lot of color. Alright, so I think we have built that up enough. Like, I think I'm good with that. Now we're going to go in with that orange. I'm going to do the same thing. And we're just gonna literally just tap like right on top. If you guys have all of these colors in one palette, you can use one palette. I just don't have all of the colors in one palette, so I have to like move around. And then like the shades of like certain palettes, they look different. Like this orange looks beautiful to me. I have another orange in the ColourPop, and I just don't like it paired with this. But you guys can do whatever you want. Whatever it is that you like. You guys also asked me for a lip routine, so I will be trying to do that in this video as well. I just didn't want the video to be like over long and you guys are like, oh, we are tired of watching you curl. So I decided to just kind of make it as simple and sweet as possible. That on there. And that is literally it for this eyeshadow. I'm probably going to darken up the edges. I probably shouldn't, but I'm just going to go in here just a little and just darken up the edges. Probably should not, but I wanted to, so. Just going to blend this all into each other. And I use like a deep burgundy to just do that. The color is right here. And use that just to darken it up just a little bit. I'm trying to debate if I want to use, I did get some new lashes, and all of the other lashes for the most part are restocked. We are waiting on a couple, but for the most part the most popular ones have been restocked. I did add 3 more styles: Hollywood, Flirty, and Classy. This one is, I'm trying to decide, because for this look I think I want to do Flirty, but I'm also really liking Hollywood a lot. So this one is the Flirty lash. Oh my gosh, I really do like that. Like, that is super sexy. If I get it on there. Sorry, it's not sticking right now, but that's sexy. And then the Hollywood lash, let me hold these up so you guys can see. Oh, shit. That didn't work. That did not work. Okay. So, I'm going to try to hold this up. So, these are Flirty. As you guys can see, she's a little thickums. And then this one is Hollywood. I'm gonna try to hold these up too. I've been playing with them. So this one is Hollywood, and I like Hollywood. Like, she's so cute, but I also like Flirty for this look because she's giving you that sexy vibe. I don't know though, like, which one do I go with? I'm thinking, I think Flirty has totally got my vote on this one because Flirty is super freaking sexy. So we're gonna go with Flirty for this look. Okay, so we've applied my lashes. Yes, I know you can see lash lines because I have not done my top lashes because the lash glue is not done drying. So mind your business. But these are the, what I go with, the Hollywood? No, I'm sorry, one with flirty lashes. I actually love these. These are very, very flirty, right? Okay, anyway, on to the lips. So I start out with a dark brown pencil. I'm sorry, I feel a sneeze coming on somewhere around here. Oh. Okay, maybe it went away. Okay. So I start with a dark brown pencil and I literally line my lips. Sharpen it up real good. Oh, let me back up so y'all can see. I'm sorry. Okay, now this part is super weird to people. It's just gonna be what it's gonna be, but I use a black lip liner. And just overline because I like really dark lip liners, and I just haven't been able to find like a dark brown that's super, super, super dark. So both of these pencils I got from the local beauty supply store, so they're not anything in particular, you know, like name brand or anything. Okay, so depending on which look I'm gonna do for the day, normally I'll do like a gloss. That's just my signature glosses. But I'm gonna go in with this. This is MAC Cherish. Alright, so then I just take like a random lip gloss. And I go over them. And then I'll take a matte liquid lip liner and I will apply this on top. And then once this dries, it'll dry as like a lipstick, but because we put the gloss on first, it'll dry as like a lip gloss. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know. I just like to do it this way. Don't judge me. Alright, so I'm going to finish up the look. I'll come back once I comb my hair and shit, and then we'll have a little chit chat, and that's it. But if you enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and thanks for watching.